Why is it flying away before I even cut the lace off? I ain't even tampered with it yet. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Tichi. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is Outre Brizella.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but
It's part of Outre SleekLay collection. It comes with wider hand-tied lace part, extra hand-tied lace edges, hump-less laid finish, pre-plucked hairline, natural baby hairs, and heat-friendly. At the time of recording, Brizella starts at $41.99. I have Brizella in the color DRFF Honey Brown. Yeah. So this is the unit. I like the color, but sadly I don't like nothing else about it. I don't. Again, the color I have is DRFF Honey Brown. I love the color. I kind of sort of love the length. It's just a little bit long for me. It looks like about, I don't know, about something inches, but I don't like the flyaways. It's so bad when, you know, hairspray can't keep the flyaways in big. Like, what? And the texture is of a yaki texture, so I don't know what. Maybe that's why. Maybe if I were to add some curls, it will give it a little silkier texture and I'd have less flyaways. But I was so disappointed with the unit, with all the flyaways. I was like, I'm not doing nothing extra with this unit. I'm just trying to put this bad boy on, give my review, and move on to the next week. Yeah, it took my day away. Okay, so I'd say Brizella is beginner friendly, not necessarily beginner friendly. If you want to lay it down the edges, I guess you could be beginner friendly. I don't know why it took me that long. I don't. I think the flyaways really took me aback, because no matter how much this I sprayed on there, they kept on coming back. Yeah, keep on coming back. But I love the colors. I love the layers of how they cut the unit. I don't like the flyaways. I don't like the flyaways. And to me, this bad boy is hot. It's only, hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
In Katy, it's currently 77 degrees.
It's only 77 degrees and my head is so hot with this unit on. I had one ring light on. One. If I had the other two lights, dang, I'd be dying in this heat. But yeah. But I don't know if it's just me because I haven't watched any other reviews. I did see some pictures of other reviews, but I didn't look at the review because like, oh, this unit gonna be a bomb. So I don't know if they like it. So now I'm curious. I want to go back and see if it's just my unit, my color. I don't know. I don't know. But I know this doggone flyaways is a no for Auntie Titi. But the layers, the color, that baby hairs is a yes for Auntie Titi. So with that being said, where would I rate this unit to? Maybe a girls' night out. If I ain't staying out that long, I might wear it to a girls' night out. What would I rate the unit? Since I'm only taking away from the flyaways, because it is big head friendly, it does have a really nice lace. It I don't know what I would rate it. Maybe a 7.5, because the flyaways is just too much for me. Too much. And it had flyaways before I even cut the lace off. Because I remember somebody telling me it's synthetic, that's why I got fly. Okay, I get that. But why is it flying away before I even cut the lace off? I ain't even tampered with it yet. So make it make sense. Anyway. It hasn't tangled on me, but I haven't really played with it because the flyaways, like I said, are bad. It sheds a little bit, but I guess that's expected. But at this point, I'm just so disappointed with the unit because I just thought for sure this unit was gonna be the bomb for Auntie Titi. But I mean, it looks gorgeous. It's just I don't like stuff on my lip gloss. I don't like stuff sticking on my face. Like when I beat my face, honey, don't nobody touch my face. Nothing, nobody touch this face. So these flyaways are a big annoying to me. So yeah, see what I'm talking about? Right here. This one right here on my eyelash. You see? But yes, I'd do 7.5 because look, if I could figure out the flyaways, maybe get a stronger hairspray, which this one says extreme firm hold, so I don't know what's stronger. I'm gonna try to find something stronger. But yeah, this is my review. I'm sorry if I disappointed anybody. I really wanted to get this unit. It's just my preference. I don't like the flyaways and they're too excessive where I would be trying to pull this joint out and be like, oh, it look good. No, not for me. Not for me. Okay, so now that you've got to the end of the video, you are a real MVP. If you got to the end of the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys the next week. Bye guys.